How to add second WhatsApp account on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So as you already know, WhatsApp has introduced new feature for Android phones to have two WhatsApp account on the same app. However, it has not introduced the same feature for iPhone. It may be because iPhone does not use dual SIM. So sadly, if you are an iPhone user, then you cannot use two WhatsApp account in the same app at the same time. But I have a trick for you. What you need to do is you'll need to come back, go to App Store on your phone, and then open up WhatsApp Business. So just search for WhatsApp Business and then download it. So now both of these are WhatsApp, but you can use one WhatsApp for casual messaging and you can use WhatsApp Business for your professional text. And this is how you can use two WhatsApp on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.